What's going on YouTube? It's your boy J4 when we back. Got my boy Titus with me.
Yep.
So man, what we're gonna do today, we're gonna do a little comparison between a 6-inch rough country lift and a 8-inch FTS lift kit. This Titus truck right here on the side in the black. Go ahead and let you do a little walkthrough of it. Tell them what you got, what you set up.
So we got the 6-inch rough country. Setup, we got 20x9 wheels on 35s, lariat package. Got the struts on them, so it's not the blocks. We got the struts. Stop control arms.
You say you're gonna go to what?
The BDX control arms. We're gonna upgrade those later.
Oh yeah, this is the EcoBoost F150. Yeah. Oh, and he got the damn. Oh, I need them damn steps.
Yeah, we got
I need them. I told him he need to paint this, get this painted. Either black it out or with a gold trim. What you say you was thinking about doing?
the gold trim.
Yeah. Do the gold trim on the black piece right here, or do the F150, the chrome part gold, leave this part black, and or no. Yeah, leave this part black and then gold the letters. I think that'll look good as shit. And then do the same thing on the F150. Black the whole thing out. Put the gold, the gold forward. That'll look hard. What kind of grid you talking about you want?
It's all black. It's all blacked out. No borders. No logo across it. Just black.
Oh, kind of like that.
I don't know the exact name for it.
Like that Raptor grid, but without the. Yeah. That'll be hard.
New wheel and tire set up on the way, so we just gotta figure out, do we want 24x12, 24x14, or 22x12, 2x14? That's the question.
What y'all think you should get, man? What y'all think? I can't turn right now. I can turn, but I can't turn as good as I want. But I'm rubbing and hitting right here on this fender, and then right here in the front, but mainly more so in the back. I just spoke with a guy about cutting, and he was just like, he'll probably just leave it like that because it's gonna look like shit. So I may leave it like that. I don't know yet. We'll see. But yeah. Now I'm gonna let him stay for now, but at some point I'm gonna upgrade the side steps and get the damn power steps. At some point, hopefully. You need to get that bullet antenna on that. That black hard though, right now. That black dumb hard.
Every time I go to the parking garage,
it always smacking it.
I really don't care about
it. Yeah, if you get either or, the 12 wide or the 14 wide, it's gonna be hard. I love that black. If I could have got anything other than this color, it would have been either navy blue or black. I wouldn't went with nothing else. Can't beat that blacked out look. Huh? Oh yeah, that'd be hard. Even if you end up doing that gold look, you put the gold put the gold hooks, and you put a chain on there. Hey, that'd be stupid. That'd be dumb hard. Yeah, that'd be stupid hard. So if y'all can see, you can see the height difference just a little bit. I don't know how much you're gonna be able to notice it on camera though. But like I said, he got the 6-inch lift. I'm on the 8, and I'm on 24x14. You on what's? He on 20x9. And my truck is a 2-wheel drive. Here's a 4-wheel drive. So it's gonna sit a little bit higher. If he get these either 22s or 24s, and then he get 37s like he say he thinking about doing, oh man, this is gonna sit crazy. It's gonna pretty much be right up there with mine. But it ain't that much of a height difference though, to be honest with you. You can see like a couple inches. If you can see on the side mirrors just a little bit. So It ain't that much of a difference. You see, I mean, obviously just a couple of inches, that's it. But yeah.
Like you can really see 35, 36.
Yeah. You know, hop in there?
Yes, sir.
Huh. Now you're only gonna be able to get about a quarter of a turn, bro. So unless you, not even a quarter of a turn, just like one. Yeah, I'd say about a quarter turn, half a turn. I always try to do like half a turn.
Super wide.
Yeah, so I have to go super wide when I turn, bro. So.
Did they put the tire monitors and stuff on?
Hell no, let me tell you about my dumb ass. So I ordered my wheels first, and then I ordered the tires later. I ordered the tires the next month. And so when I ordered it, you'll hear it right here. Right there. You about to hit it. I'm about to say that's about the foot much of turn you gonna get. But when I ordered it, yeah, it's not that bad. That's why I say I might not cut it. But so when I ordered it, right there, you about to hit it. Yeah. So yeah, you can't make the real sharp turn.
You can live with that though.
Yeah, I can live with that. But so when I ordered the tires that next month, before I ordered, I told myself I'm gonna make sure I order everything together. You know, it's not together, but I'm gonna order the TPMS system sensor whenever I order the tires. And I forgot to order the shit. And I didn't think about it till after the fact.
Did they do the
Right there.
They did the speedometer reset?
Huh?
They did the speedometer reset?
Nah.
Mine off too, I think. They said they did it, but I think it's off. You had tried to go up under there?
Yeah, I ain't about to try. Yeah. And then like it's even worse when you bagging up like the.
Yeah, cause them wheels shift.
Yeah, so I was like, I can only turn like a little bit when I'm backing up.
When my Tahoe, that's how they was, and they was 20 by 10, I think.
Yeah. And you see how bad it ain't that bad though when you turning. How you think about it like as far as turning though?
If you after you get used to it, you'll be fine.
Yeah.
If somebody just hop in and try to turn,
Yeah.
they gonna be like, oh, they ain't gonna know what to do. They gonna think they messed something up, but nah, I mean you can live with it.
Yeah, I'll say I might not cut it though. I'm still debating it. But
yeah, you get used to it, it's yours, so you know.
Yeah, I done got used to it for the most part. So far, anyway. I'm not all the way there yet. I'm still learning it, trying to learn when the best time to turn, like as far as like speed wise and all that. But like so far, I mean, it's been alright. I done got used to it a little bit. It hasn't been too bad.
It's worth the look though.
Yeah, the look. The look is crazy. Matter of fact, hey, I'm gonna hop out real quick. I'm gonna get you to drive. I'm gonna get a couple shots. No. Right there, good.
That's a lot of turn though, what I was thinking.
For real?
I thought you was just gonna be like quarter of the turn,
Yeah.
but you can still
Get
here.
a full turn.
Yeah, you can get a full turn.
How you like it?
If it's on my truck, I can live with it. I can live with it. I mean, I don't know about when I get to pulling and hauling and towing bikes, but I can live with it. It's worth the look.
Yeah. Oh yeah, my boy is about that bike life, man.
Yeah.
I'm about to get there with him, so we gonna be hitting the trails and stuff sometime soon. Not right now. I gotta wait another year or so, cause I just spent too much money on this damn truck, so I ain't trying to. I gotta wait a little bit, and I got some other stuff I gotta come up.
Content on the way.
Oh yeah, for sure.